Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a simple but delicious shake. It is date shake with a twist of praline. You must have tasted different types of milkshakes, but in this shake there is a special ingredient called as praline. So let's see how to make this. To make the praline, add some water in a pan. Add in half a cup of sugar. Just give it a shake and do not touch it. After some time you can see the sugar has melted and this sugar syrup slowly started to caramelize. Once the golden color started to form, slowly mix the mixture. Now the sugar syrup is perfectly caramelized. Turn off the flame and add in split cashews. Mix it. Now pour this into a parchment paper and set it aside for half an hour. And after half an hour you can see it has completely solidified. You can break this and make it into a praline powder. Now our praline powder is ready. Now let's make the date shake. Add in some de-seeded dates into a blender. Add some milk. Now the next ingredient is completely optional. I have added around 1 tablespoon of milk maid. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder, which will give a beautiful flavor to this shake. Now the star of the show, the praline powder. Now blend it really well and pour it into a glass. Top it up with some cinnamon powder and add a piece of praline. So there it is, our delicious, very tasty and very healthy date shake with praline is ready. So you should definitely try this recipe at home and give this video a big thumbs up. Yum! Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.